probably not going to like what I'm going to say, but I'm going to share with you 7 things that have taken me a lifetime to learn who I truly am. Discovering and accepting your authentic life takes a lifetime of introspection, self-reflection, and personal growth. Ponder about where true happiness lies. It's another lifelong journey to realize that genuine happiness comes from meaningful relationships, pursuing passions, and finding contentment within oneself. Number 3, forgiveness is essential. Understanding the power of forgiveness, the power and learning to let go of grudges, resentments can bring peace and emotional freedom. Number 4, how to embrace imperfections. Wow. Accepting your flaws and embracing imperfections. That chatterbox that continuously goes in your head requires a lifetime of self-compassion and understanding that nobody is perfect. When to let go of control. Over time, recognizing that everything is within your control allows you to navigate life's uncertainties with grace. And why time is precious. As the years go by, the value of time becomes evident, pushing up myself to prioritize and to make most of every moment. Eventually we realize the importance of leaving a positive impact on the world and imparting a valuable lesson for future generations. Learning how to get on with our lives is always a challenge, but as people, we reflect on our lives. They often recognize the importance of leaving a positive impact on the world. This realization motivates us to make a difference, contribute to the communities, and pass on valuable lessons and values to future generations. What are the 7 things that you have taken a lifetime to learn? Let me know down below. Let's go.